Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and welcome to Accelerando Piano Excerpts. These short videos are taken from my longer tutorials. They focus on one particular topic and are perfect if you're just after the straightforward facts and how-to. So why do we use the pedal? When do we use it? What are its basic functions? The pedal is a vital and integral part of the instrument. It helps add colour and character and emotion. It makes the sound fuller and richer. It broadens the whole soundscape of the instrument. So let's have a look at the first instance where you might want to use the pedal for sound enrichment. I'm going to play a chord sequence first without the pedal and then with it so you can hear the difference. And now with the pedal. And you can hear that's got a much fuller, richer sound. What's actually happening inside the piano when we use a pedal like that is that there are dampers resting on the strings. And when the pedal is up, the dampers are on the strings. When you push the pedal down, those dampers come off the strings and allows them to vibrate in sympathy. And that gives you that much richer, bigger sound. When you return the pedal to the top, the dampers come back and stop the sound. So that's the first thing for sound enrichment. The second reason we'd want to use the pedal is when we can't physically join the notes ourselves to make them sound smooth. So probably the best example is if I've got a chord in the bass and then I want some chords higher up. There's no way I'm going to get that smooth. So I have to use the pedal. There's the added bonus that it sounds fuller and richer as well. But basically the primary function there is to join that sound with that sound. So that's the second one. The third example of when you might want to use the pedal is if you want to layer the sounds. So I might play a chord in the bass and hold the pedal through and add chords on top. So I might do something like this. And you can hear that full, rich sound right across the breadth of the instrument. And thinking about those dampers, when I lift the pedal, the dampers return to the strings and stop the sound. You might also want to use it with an arpeggio type pattern or a section of a piece where it's very ripply and flowing and you want to highlight that with a pedal. Good example, the end of Christopher Norton's Spring Song, which sounds really lovely. You can hear that lovely build up and wash of sound. And I also use it in The Beautiful Butterfly, which is from my garden party book. And I actually use this piece to help teach people how to use the pedal. So I wanted that lovely wash of sound.